We'll guide you through how to download Microsoft 365 Office from Microsoft on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With this, you then get all of the apps like Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now you want to go and search for Microsoft like so, and you can come to Microsoft.com. Go to the top right, and you do need to have an account, so you can press sign in the top right. If you haven't got one, you can go and create one. After signing in, press your profile icon in the top right and press My Microsoft Account. Go to the left and go and press Subscriptions. It's important to note that Microsoft 365 is a subscription, so you need to go and pay for it in order to go and get access to it and the apps. Once you've got it, you can press the Install button in the top right. Choose a language and a version, and then we can press Install. Open up your File Explorer and come to Downloads on the left. Find the Office setup and double click it to go and run it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to and now wait. When it's finished, it'll go and say you're all set. You can press Close. If I then press Search at the bottom, I can go and type in Word or PowerPoint and go and start using the apps.